Hi, my name is Juliana. I'm originally from Washington, D.C. in America, and I go to school at Kent State University in Ohio. The internship that I'm at is at the Space Theater in the Isle of Dogs in London. Right now I'm kind of doing advertising. I've helped with live streams for shows, and I am performing in one, stage managing one as well. I chose to do my internship with the intern group because I was just looking up what internships there were for my school, and I came across the intern group. They provide housing and an internship. I decided to go for it. My advice to future interns is just go out and explore and do things. Personally, I love it. That's what I've been doing ever since I got here. I've been just going to a cafe and just wandering around the area, and it's so fun, and the sights that you see is so beautiful. Traveling, it really gives the opportunity to learn new things, and especially with doing an internship and going out and about, you learn so much and you see so many amazing things and meet so many amazing people.